Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have Happy Mail, and I'm excited about it because I know what it is. It's also Collab. It's Ayla Avar who sent this package. Dory's, Dolly's, and I are doing today, and be sure to go to each of their channels. This is a hug in a box. I can't thank you enough, Ayla. Ayla just sent me a huge box of stuff. So to get another hug is a big deal. I talk to Ayla and Dory usually daily. I use them for sounding boards quite often. So I'm very excited about this. Oh, wait till you see what I've got. Oh, there's more in here than I expected. Thank you, Ayla. Isn't this cute? She sent me some fabric. I love animal print. A lot of people think we shouldn't wrap ourselves in it, but you know what? To me, it's a compliment. I like the way you look so much. I want to look like it. Look at this. I love this. I am really having trouble finding Easter print this year with a small print on it. Everything is really big this year, and for the smaller dolls, thank you very much. Look at this. Ayla is a Star Trek fan. We're talking really a fan, and I think that's how she met Ron. They went to a Star Trek movie, I think. These are for our little Grogus that Dory gave us when we went to Chicago. We went to a show, or a toy, what was it called, Darren? That toy flea market. I can't think what it's called.
I don't remember either. It's a toy show, yeah.
It's a big toy show. And Dory gave us each a Grogu so that we could reborn them. And from here down, mine is filled with beanies out of old Beanie Babies that I cut. And then I put these in a bowl, the beans, and I sprayed them with cologne because that is alcohol-based and it's a disinfectant. And then I swished it around and waited for it to dry and sprayed it again. And then I stuffed him up to here, and then I added some, I think, yeah, he's got him in his butt too. And then I sewed this preemie little pants on here by hand sewn that real tight, real tiny stitches. So let's get him dressed and wait till you see. Everybody has something different on their channel. Darren and I enjoy Star Trek every day. We watch Star Trek at lunch. We have all the Star Trek, what do you call them? The whole
shows.
Yeah, what are they called?
Series.
Series, yeah. So what are we on? Next Generation, I think. And we just started we were watching Doctor Who at lunch. Lunch is our big meal. And now we're watching Star Trek. And it was really funny because something happened on one of them, and I mentioned it to Ayla. She just like immediately knew everything about it. She's just cute like that. Oh my little Star Wars guy is so cute in his Star Trek outfit. His jeans are a little too long, but I can't decide if I want to cut them off yet. They're so stinking cute. And they have these little side pockets, and if I cut it off, I think that's about where they have to go. But let's just look at him. Did you see the pocket? I saw you come in to see it. Make sure you got it. Let's pull this up. Oh my goodness, Ayla. Oh, this is so fun. Oh, this is so fun. You have to go by and see Ayla and Dory's today. You just must. These are the cutest little reborn Star Wars guys. I absolutely love my Grogu, and he is adorable. Ayla, look at my little Grogu. Oh my goodness.
Got bigger ears than Spock.
Yeah, there you go. There you go. And Dory, thank you so much for these. First of all, I love him and everything, but seriously, Star Wars and Star Trek. Oh, I love it. And Darren and I also host on May 4th a Star Wars challenge. And that is to show anything at all from your collection. Legos, dolls, outfits, anything, figurines, in a video on May 4th. We hope you'll join in. Ayla and Dory, thank you. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and thanks for the fabrics too. And subscribe.